never ever find the right words. And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
So we have cookies right here, being a little good girl. We got Brownie over here. We have a stay over here, fixing the pillows. Right now we have Jose from VA Performance. He's gonna go ahead and come over. We're gonna go ahead and actually go take a look at the other Mustangs. So hopefully we can get something to work out and hopefully get something popping off.
And that's literally pulling everything off of that one.
Yeah.
Interior, everything, and dumping everything into this one. And we can even do the window and everything. It's just really cool now because of the big shop.
Yeah, the big shop and everything.
That it's cool because I can literally have both of the cars there.
Yeah, go next to each other.
It's doable. So just let me know when you're ready, man. If you're free tomorrow, we can tow this one to the shop tomorrow and start hammering down and everything because this one was the one that we're gonna take everything out of.
So I mean, like to other people, like I see like why like they kind of steer away from anything like this, but like the whole time I was here and just tearing things apart and like just taking things apart in general and just kind of looking at them and examining it was just kind of more of a like a fun experience for the first time. Just because like I really like learning about. I mean, I just enjoy learning in general, but. All right, guys. So back at the shop, we're gonna go ahead and actually remove off these front wheels and put them on. Change it for these because. Actually, you can't really tell from this angle, but these aren't actually on the wheel at all. They're tires are completely off the wheel. So you go ahead and see that gap. But both of them are ripped off. This one you can definitely tell. So we're gonna go ahead and switch them out. There it is. You can go ahead and see actually ripped the tire right here. So ripped the tire here and bent the rim. Tear to the tire here, cracked the rim here. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and be heading over to the shop. We're gonna go ahead and actually take the 17 to the shop today. He has a trailer and everything, so we should be good to go. I put the wheels on last night.
No, look at the back. Oh, fuck. Here, Jacob, do this one here.
For what? Oh, sit in there or what?
I'm gonna fall backwards.
There you go. Let's try pushing it out, yeah.
I swear if you hit my jaw, get a Mustang, they said. They don't crash, they said. More or what? Yeah, no, that's because the rack and pinion's literally hitting against the camber.
Wire gonna get stuck? That wire's getting stuck.
Hold on.
I know. I know.
YouTube channel.
Why didn't you go out head first? Or like that, like sit inside. There's a lot of room in there.
So right now we're heading over to a gas station. He needs to get some diesel. I need to get some gas. And then me and Esther haven't ate anything. We had a very long night. I don't know if the video's out yet, but some crazy stuff happened with Chris SVT. So if you've seen it, then you know what happened. If it's not out yet, it's probably for a good reason. So we're gonna go ahead and actually get something to eat. Not like actually healthy food, but just something to get in our stomachs. Because we didn't get home until about 5:30 last night. And it's currently 11 right now. We're doing all this. So we're gonna go ahead and get something to snack on at the gas station to hold us over. All right, guys. So I went ahead and got the White Monster. I had a NOS last night, so gotta stay a little healthy somewhat. So we got the White Monster, and then we got some, as I say it, say being healthy. Got the pizza, and then we got some Oreos, a little bit of beef jerky, and then a Gatorade for each of us. And then she got some chips for herself. You got donuts?
Some powdered donuts.
Some powdered donuts.
Get those powdered donuts.
So we're pulling up to the shop right now. We're gonna be entering in the other gate.
Ivan! Get your big ass over here. She ain't moving. That's what was hitting. Damn, I should just fucking shredded that. Yeah, that transmission's probably no good either. All right, Jacob.
What's up?
Get that fucking exhaust out.
Exhaust?
Yeah.
For real, huh?
Fucking liar. Fucking liar. You and I thought we were friends. I didn't even follow her as that. Fuck you. Fucking nice, man. What?
Monofone tools?
All the green tools. There you go, Sindo. Can you fix the body for me now? Can you fix the body for me now?
Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for the night. Started off a little rocky, but got everything solved up, and basically this is where we're gonna end it. Until next time. Alright guys, so stay tuned for this long. Appreciate it. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe. It really helps out a lot. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.